As you know very well, without using internet and computer, we can't imagine our daily life. Actually, why I am influenced to make this tutorial are nothing but very much important for all computer users definitely. Just couple of days ago, I had faced cookies problem in my computer. I am not able to browse very well and having trouble. Suddenly it disappeared social sharing button, affiliate marketing advertisement, banner, and couple of images in my blog and websites. For this reason, there are raising some popular question. What do you mean by cookie? Are cookies bad? Are cookies dangerous? What cookies are in terms of their purpose and use? Guys, this is different perception and issues. Now let me clear first of all what is cookies. Cookies are small files which are stored on a user's computer. They are designed to hold a modest amount of data specific to a particular client or website and can be accessed either by the web server or the client computer. Now I will show you how we can delete cookies on your system. There are many ways can be done, but ultimate result will be same. Now I will show you one of the best way. Just keep your mind, we can delete cookies either by going through history or by clicking more tools or by clicking settings option in same window. Now let me show you one by one. So open your Google Chrome browser and click right side on top of the browser named Customize and control Google Chrome and click right side on top of the browser named Customize and control Google Chrome. Step number 1. If you click on History option, you will see tons of browsing records or history files on your system. Here you can delete cookies in two ways, either by clicking check and uncheck buttons or by selecting clear browsing data. Whenever you click on History option, you will see all browsing records with check and uncheck buttons. Just select those files you want to delete. Then press delete, right side top of the bar. Secondly, click on clear browsing data. Here you will see another interface with check and uncheck files with time range. So go for select history records such as browsing history, cookies and other site data and cached image file, and select also time range. Then just press clear data. Step number 2. If you click on more clear option, then click again clear browsing data and you will see same window as we have done before. Step number 3. If you click on settings option, you will see same windows. Just little bit scroll down on the bar and click on advanced option Then click again clear browsing data. Here you will see same window, but you have to choose check and uncheck button and also time range. It means you want to delete all times or last hour or last 24 hours or more. Then just press clear data and it's gone. Hi guys, in this way we can delete cookies on your system. I hope this tutorial helpful for you and all computer users. If so, don't forget to subscribe my channel. That can gives me thousands inspiration to make more videos for you. And thanks for watching this video.